guys, namaste, assalamu alaikum, came to Sashika Wanakum and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, this is Oshareeya. And today I broke my mom's blush. I'm so screwed, but not to worry because I saw a DIY on TikTok and I'm gonna try it for fixing up my blush. I hope it works, so let's go and try it out. So for this DIY, you'll only need your broken blush. You need a plastic, you'll need something to powder the plastic. You'll need something to crush the powder and a tissue. That's it, probably. And without further ado, let's go to the video.
Has this ever happened to you when you open your blush and oh my god, it's broken? What are you gonna do? I'm gonna tell you a small hack that will help you fix this thing. To fix this, we're gonna use plastic to put the powder and crush it here. Then we're gonna need some tissue, then a piece of paper folded into half, any hard surface to keep the powder on, and a small thing that will help you crush it. Take the blush palette and remove all the powder. And now I'm going to close one and place it on top of a hard surface. After placing the powder on the hard surface, we're going to take any object to crush it. We're going to make it into fine powder. After crushing, it looks something just like this. And now we're going to put this back to the palette. Now, to put the powder in the palette is going to be a task because it's powder. So we're going to take this folded paper and slowly, gently pick it up. Make sure it doesn't fall anywhere else. And place it gently over the palette. Keep repeating this until you put all the powder back in its place. Now we're going to take tissue paper and place it over the palette and start dabbing the powder that we've put so that it settles down. The makeup powder already contains binder, so we do not need to put rose water, any alcohol or any of those things. I think this method is the easiest and very effective. And I'm going to press this down to all the sides, even the corners. Please do use a dry tissue because the wet ones will only make it even more messier. So this is how it goes, and let me clean this up. So after the cleaning, this is how it's gonna look. As you can see, it looks brand new. So ta-da!
So my review for the DIY TikTok that I saw is 100% successful. It actually worked and my mom didn't find out about it yet. But I don't know. Crosses, don't tell her please. Shh. If you break your blush or compact, do try this technique and I hope it helps you. So the first 3 commenters from my previous video are boom boom boom. I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please do give it a big thumbs up. Comment what you want to see next, and until next time, be bold, be strong, be you. Keep slaying. Bye bye.